If you're looking for the best microwave oven to upgrade your kitchen in 2026, you've come to the right place. Today's microwave ovens do much more than simply reheat leftovers. They feature smart controls, air frying capabilities, convection cooking, inverter technology, sensor cooking, and energy-efficient performance that can completely transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a busy professional, a home chef, or someone who simply wants quick and convenient meal preparation, choosing the right microwave oven can save time, improve cooking results, and make everyday life easier. In today's video, we're counting down the top 12 microwave ovens every modern kitchen needs in 2026. We'll explore their standout features, cooking performance, design, technology, and why they deserve a place in your kitchen. Make sure to watch until the end because our number one pick delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and value that truly sets it apart from the competition. Let's get started. Number 12. Toshiba EM131A5 CBS. Starting our list is the Toshiba EM131A5 CBS, a microwave oven that continues to be a favorite among homeowners thanks to its balance of performance, reliability, and affordability. Featuring a spacious interior and powerful cooking capabilities, this model is ideal for families who need consistent heating and quick meal preparation. Its smart sensor technology automatically adjusts cooking time and power levels, helping eliminate guesswork when preparing popular foods. The large digital display is easy to read, while the intuitive control panel makes operations simple for users of all ages. The sleek black stainless steel finish also adds a modern appearance that complements contemporary kitchens. Whether you're reheating dinner, cooking frozen meals, or preparing snacks, the Toshiba M131A5CBs delivers dependable results every day. Number 11. GEG CST10A1WSS. Coming in at number 11 is the GEG CST10A1WSS, designed for compact kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and office spaces. This microwave offers impressive performance in a space-saving design. Despite its compact footprint, it delivers strong cooking power and features multiple cooking presets for common foods. The simple interface allows users to quickly select settings without navigating complicated menus. One of the biggest advantages of this microwave is its reliability. GE has built a reputation for producing dependable kitchen appliances, and this model continues that tradition with consistent heating performance and durable construction. For those seeking a compact yet capable microwave, this model offers excellent value. Number 10. Panasonic NNSN77HS. At number 10, we have the Panasonic NNSN77HS, a microwave that showcases the company's renowned inverter technology. Traditional microwaves often cycle power on and off during cooking, which can lead to uneven heating. Panasonic's inverter system delivers continuous power for more consistent cooking results. This means foods retain better texture, flavor, and moisture, while reducing the chances of overcooked edges and cold centers. Its spacious interior accommodates larger dishes, making it suitable for family meals and entertaining guests. Sensor cooking programs automatically determine ideal cooking times for a wide variety of foods. For users who value precision and consistent results, this Panasonic model remains a standout choice. Number 9. Sharp SMC 2266Ks. The Sharp SMC 2266Ks takes the number 9 spot with its combination of capacity, power, and convenience. This microwave offers a generous interior that can handle large dinner plates, casserole dishes, and oversized containers with ease. The powerful cooking system ensures fast heating and efficient cooking performance. Its modern stainless steel design adds a premium touch to any kitchen setup. Multiple auto-cook programs simplify everyday meal preparation, while sensor cooking technology optimizes cooking times automatically. Families who frequently use their microwave throughout the day will appreciate the convenience and reliability this model delivers. Number 8. Samsung MS19M8000AS. Samsung continues to impress in the appliance market, and the MS19M8000AS earns its place on our list. This microwave combines elegant design with advanced functionality. The sleek exterior integrates beautifully into modern kitchen environments while providing powerful cooking performance. Its ceramic enamel interior helps resist scratches and makes cleaning significantly easier compared to traditional interiors. The cooking presets provide convenient options for a variety of foods, while energy-saving features help reduce electricity consumption. Samsung's focus on durability and user-friendly operation makes this microwave an attractive option for many households. Number 7. LG NeoChef Countertop Microwave. At number 7 is the LG NeoChef, a microwave that emphasizes precision and modern technology. Its smart inverter technology allows for more accurate temperature control, helping foods cook evenly and maintain their natural flavors. The interior lighting is bright and clear, making it easier to monitor cooking progress. LG's minimalist design philosophy results in a sleek appliance that looks sophisticated on any countertop. The microwave also offers quieter operation than many competitors, creating a more pleasant kitchen environment. For users seeking advanced technology and elegant design, the LG NeoChef is an excellent contender. Number 6. Breville Smooth Wave. The Breville Smooth Wave is designed for those who want premium performance and thoughtful innovation. One of its standout features is its quieter operation. Many microwave ovens can be surprisingly noisy, but Breville has incorporated technology to reduce operational sounds significantly. The appliance also features smart presets, soft close doors, and sensor cooking functions that enhance everyday convenience. Its premium build quality and sophisticated appearance make it a perfect fit for upscale kitchens. The Smooth Wave demonstrates how microwave technology continues evolving to improve the overall user experience. Number 5. Whirlpool WMH31017HS. Entering the top 5 is the Whirlpool WMH31017HS. This over-the-range microwave combines cooking functionality with valuable kitchen ventilation. It helps save countertop space while providing strong microwave performance. The integrated ventilation system assists in removing smoke, steam, and cooking odors from your kitchen, creating a cleaner cooking environment. Its multiple power settings and cooking presets provide flexibility for a wide range of culinary tasks. For homeowners seeking a multifunctional appliance, this Whirlpool model is a highly practical solution. Number 4. KitchenAid KMHC319 ESS. At number 4 is the KitchenAid KMHC319 ESS, a premium over-the-range microwave built for serious home cooks. This appliance goes beyond basic reheating thanks to its convection cooking capabilities. Users can bake, roast, and prepare more sophisticated meals without needing a separate appliance. The spacious interior and advanced cooking technology offer tremendous versatility. KitchenAid's reputation for quality craftsmanship is evident throughout the design, making this microwave a long-term investment for modern kitchens. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series Microwave. Claiming the number 3 position is the Bosch 800 Series Microwave. Known for exceptional engineering and premium design, Bosch delivers a microwave that combines luxury aesthetics with outstanding performance. The appliance offers intuitive controls, precise cooking functions, and seamless integration with contemporary kitchen designs. Its powerful cooking system provides fast, even heating while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. For homeowners seeking premium quality and elegant styling, the Bosch 800 series stands among the industry's best. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke Microwave. Taking second place is the Samsung Bespoke Microwave, part of Samsung's highly successful bespoke appliance lineup. This microwave emphasizes personalization, advanced technology, and stylish design. Its modern appearance allows it to blend seamlessly with today's custom kitchen environments. Smart connectivity features enable convenient control and monitoring through compatible devices. Combined with excellent cooking performance and innovative features, the bespoke microwave represents the future of smart kitchen appliances. Number 1. Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. This remarkable appliance combines microwave, air fryer, convection oven, and broiler functionality into a single machine. Its versatility allows users to prepare an incredible variety of meals while saving valuable kitchen space. Panasonic's inverter technology ensures even cooking performance, while air frying capabilities provide healthier alternatives to traditional frying methods. Whether you're roasting vegetables, baking desserts, crisping frozen foods, or reheating leftovers, this appliance handles the task with impressive efficiency. Its combination of innovation, versatility, cooking quality, and overall value makes it our top microwave oven recommendation for 2026. That wraps up our list of the top 12 microwave ovens every modern kitchen needs in 2026. From affordable countertop models to premium smart appliances with air frying and convection cooking capabilities, there's a microwave here for every kitchen and budget. Which microwave oven is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest buying guides and technology reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.